Hello everyone. Welcome to the very first video of the series. The series is for absolute beginners. So we will start from the install and we'll master it after a few weeks from now. So let's get started. First of all, type in Orcad Pspice. It's in the very first link. A little bit of introduction is provided here. Let's head to download. Fill this form. Your first name, last name, email, university. Select the job title. Fill in your address. Now in software required you can select first or second option. First one has a lot of stuff and we don't need it still. Submit the form and download it from the link sent to your email. We will be starting with it in the next one. Goodbye for now.